Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be explaining why Bitcoin is most likely going to see a retracement back towards this 40.9k level before it's really going to start moving up once again here. As well, I will be explaining all the things you should be paying attention towards right now here. I will be going into different charts, different time frames, and I will be as well go over the weekly time frame where we're right now seeing some interesting bullish signals getting played out here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to as well subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on any of these further update videos here on this channel. So with that out of the way, let me go right away into the video and let me start discussing, of course, the rising wedge breakdown once again here. So, like you already know, we missed our entry with a few dollars off here, and right now, of course, I only want to be entering a trade here if I'm going to get the perfect entry, and if I don't get the perfect entry, I will be letting the opportunity go, and I will be looking at the next opportunity. So that is really the key to make yourself a successful and, of course, a profitable trader. So since, of course, missing out on that trade, we started to move down like we already predicted. And right now, it looks to be that Bitcoin is moving up ever so slightly once again here before we're probably going to see another leg down here. And the reason why I'm saying so is, first of all, you can clearly identify right now, we are seeing lower highs getting created. Lower highs getting created here, lower lows getting created. We are clearly right now in a downtrend. As well, what we are seeing right now here is that we broke down of a rising wedge. Rising wedge is a very bearish bias pattern. And you could be really looking for, of course, the price target here around the 37k. But personally, I don't think 37k is going to be reached here. But we will be rather topping out of bottoming out here around the 40.9k, since it as well comes together with the Fibonacci here. So you can see already for Bitcoin, it looks to be that we can be having a retracement back towards that level before we're probably going to start moving up once again here. So I will be, of course, waiting till I can be accumulating a huge amount around the 40.9k for Bitcoin in order, of course, to fill my positions and move up very quickly. So right now we are still not even had a touch here on the 0.236 here. We could be maybe potentially have a touch on this and once again start to move up from that point. That's for sure possible. So yeah, you could be maybe open a minor trade already over there if you're interested in that for sure. But I will be remaining a little bit more calm since it is not suiting my strategy to accumulate on that level. But yeah, personally, I really want to be anticipating another correction from here on. We are clearly in a downtrend. Please don't be the guy that's only attaching their emotion to their assets. I've been warning you guys already for a few days about it here. And right now, of course, we start to move down here and everyone is panicking once again. So please, no reason to panic. We are always going to see correction before once again moving up here, because there's no chart that's going to move up in a straight line here. So let me move on as well, and let me talk a little bit as well about this this bullish bias pattern, since right now as well, the 4-hourly candles, where, of course, on the different chart over here, we are seeing the breakdown here of the rising wedge. What is, of course, extremely bearish here. We are seeing on this 4-hourly candles a falling wedge getting created here. And together with this falling wedge, we're seeing as well on the 4-hourly candles a bullish divergence getting created here. We're seeing a lower low on the RSI getting created, higher low on the price action. This is resulting in a hidden bullish divergence. And this could be resulting in, of course, a breakout towards the upside. But it could be taking, of course, for sure, several hours, several days here till we're going to see a breakout of this significant rising wedge here. This could be taking for sure maybe another 2 days here. And of course, if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside of this rising wedge, I will be trying to catch a long position out of it. And of course, for all the people that are interested in catching the long position with me, because yeah, I usually try to trade with 1 or 2 trades a week here, but sometimes I have a week where I don't even do a trade since there are not good enough opportunities. So people, please be careful, please be patient, since patience is key. And once I will be opening a position, because yeah, I have not been opening a position for quite a while right now already, but once I'm seeing an opportunity, I will be sharing all the details once again with you guys here on this channel, and of course on the Twitter page as well in real time. So if you're interested in opening positions with me, make sure to go to Twitter @RoverCRC, hit that follow button over there as well. Thank you so much for the 10,000 followers still. And yeah, we will be for sure keeping you guys up to date here on Twitter on all the trades that we are going to take here all together. And as well, you could be already signing up here with Bybit, since if you're going to sign up with Bybit, we are using the same platform, so we have the same digits, and we could be opening our trade on the exact same entry price as well. One thing that you also want to be knowing here is that there will be a trading competition here, World of Traders, and this will be starting in 30 minutes on the time of recording. So probably once it is uploaded, it's still a few minutes away here. I will be putting a link in the description here as well. I will be notifying everyone on Twitter, since you could be joining my team and we could be winning up to a prize pool of 7.5 million US dollars. And this will be all about ROI. So it will be very important that we are going to be profitable. And that is, of course, for sure a thing that at least my strategy is suiting, since I'm only taking the least amount of risk on my trades here, and this is going to be a crazy pool here, since we could be winning as a team in a very significant prize pool. So I will be keeping you guys up to date about this. We still have more time to register, but make sure to already keep your eyes out on the Twitter page if you want to be joining this one as well here. But let me move further on towards the Bitcoin price analysis, of course. So, yeah, we see bullish divergence playing out right now in the 4-hourly candles together with the falling wedge. This could be resulting in, of course, a breakout towards the upside, back towards the 47, towards 48K here. It will be, of course, amazing if we could be seeing so. Right now as well, Bitcoin, what are we having over here? On the 1 hour, it looks to be that the MACD is forming a higher low over here. And while the MACD is forming a higher low, we're still seeing a lower low in the price action getting created here. This is right now resulting in, of course, a hidden, divergence signal that the market is probably going to shift here anytime soon. So make sure that you're paying attention towards that one as well. Minor reverse signals that we're currently getting here. But of course, if I'm looking at the daily, we are seeing right now an upward sloping support line, previous resistance, flipping into support, but already our third touch point here. The more times we're going to touch this level, the more likely it's going to be that we're going to break below it. But as long as we're trading above it, it is, of course, generally looking very good here. As well, if we're looking to the trend identification on the momentum indicators, we already warned you guys about it. It looks to be that we were cooling off, and we were already giving I was already giving my expectations about it, since, of course, on the 4-hourly candles, it was looking like, okay, first we were forming exponential highs, and after that we cooling off. That's just a clear signal that the buyers are losing strength, and that you could be, of course, see a trend reversal from there on, just like we did, of course, on the daily candles on Bitcoin previously as well here on the top side, like you can see over there. Very easy to analyze that we're probably going to see a cool period, and I definitely think that it is not over yet here, and that we could be maybe see a minor pullback here back towards our target, like we discussed over here. So yeah, you should be extremely careful with right now trading. Should be extremely careful with opening longs and shorts right now here, since opening a short in the middle of this range is, of course, not smart in my opinion, since we're as well forming and falling wedge. That as well, opening a long is also not smart, since we are breaking down of the rising wedge. So that's the reason why I'm right now standing on the sidelines. Bitcoin looking pretty interesting right now here as well. What is very interesting right now is on the weekly time frame, we are seeing Bitcoin forming a bullish divergence on the MACD. What is generally speaking a very good sign here, and what is also generally speaking bullish sign for the weekly time frame. We could be cooling off for maybe 1 or 2 weeks here, but I definitely think that we are about to set a new all-time high anytime soon, guys. So make sure that you are prepared for it. Make sure that you are paying attention towards the charts right now here, since it is right now getting pretty interesting, and especially if we're going to see a minor correction, make sure that you are the one who's not going to sit on the sidelines, since you want to be accumulating while the prices are dropping off, and you want to be taking profits once the prices are moving up here. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching here once again to this Bitcoin update. Let me know if you want to be seeing an Ethereum, XRP, Cardano update on this channel, since I will be for sure working on it right after this. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.